Internal PC communication failing because of the Wuweb Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. Before we dive into the Wuweb Library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Wuweb Library, the Windows Update Web Control Library. This module provides an unmanaged ActiveX and COM bridge that allows browser-based triggers to interact with the Windows Update Agent, WA. It facilitates the orchestration of patch scanning manifests and manages the data link between the web UI and the local servicing stack. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scannow from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Wuweb Library DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Wuweb library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Wuweb Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. One approach to reviewing Wuweb library references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. To support our technical team and receive updates on Wuweb library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.